We have given example. The order of operation for decimals is the same as for the whole numbers and fractions. In this example, what we have here, in parentheses we have 4 only and 0.05. So in parentheses we don't have any operations. Before parentheses we don't have any symbol. It means we have multiplication. So the order operation, first we have to do multiplication and next subtraction. So we have 0.3 times 4, and how we multiply decimal numbers? Like whole numbers. And at the end we have to count decimal places. So we have 4 times 3 is 12. So we have 2 and 1 we add to next column. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. And next we count decimal places. In first number, after decimal point we have 1 digit. So we have 1 decimal place. In the second we don't have any digits after decimal point. We don't have decimal points. So decimal point is always at the end. So we don't have any digits after decimal point. So now we have to count only 1 digit from the right to the left. Decimal point will be between 1 and 2. So we have solution from the first operation is 1.2 minus, and now we have to multiply 0.05 times 2. Because this is multiplication, so it doesn't matter if you multiply 2 times 0.05 or 0.05 times 2. The result will be the same. And now 2 times 5 is 10, so we have 0 and 1 we add to next column. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 times 0 is 0. We don't have to write before 1, 0. And now we have to just count decimal places. In the first decimal number we have 2 digits after decimal point, so we have 2 decimal places. In the second we have decimal point, so we don't have decimal places. So we have to count only 2 digits from the right to the left. You have 2 decimal places. So our solution will be decimal point 10, or you can like 0 decimal point 10. Doesn't matter if you write the 0 before decimal point or not. But I think it's good to write 0 decimal point 1. We don't have the 0. We don't have to write the 0 after 1 because it doesn't change the value of our number. And now we have to do subtraction. We have 1.2 minus 0.1. So we have to write these 2 decimal numbers aligning the decimal points. So it will be 1.2 minus 0.1. And we start from the last column and we subtract like whole numbers. 2 minus 1 is 1. Decimal point we copy. 1 minus 0 is 1. So the solution will be 1 decimal point 1.